Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing a wireless speaker from Sony and the model is called SRS-XB10. I have already unboxed this and I've used this for a couple of days. So I'll go ahead and re-unbox this for you guys. To the end of this video, I'll also play some sample sounds and music so that you can get an idea of how it sounds like. In the box, we get a micro USB cable for charging the wireless speaker. Note that a wall adapter is not provided in this package. Next, we get the wireless speaker. And lastly, some documentation that includes a quick start guide and a reference guide. Quick start guide has a pictorial representation of how to pair the speaker with smartphone and also the controls on this speaker. It also shows the procedure to add additional speakers to get a stereo effect. The reference guide has some info on specification and Bluetooth information. Talking about the design, it is cylindrical and measures about 75mm in diameter and it is around 91mm tall. It weighs about 260 grams and is almost the same size as a regular coffee mug. It is compact, portable and easy to carry around. It comes with this strap useful for hanging the speaker to nail or hook. This also serves as a cradle if you want the speaker to be placed horizontally. Inside there is a single driver that is facing upwards and delivers a balanced sound filling the room. A metal grill is placed on the top to protect the driver. There is a passive radiator that faces down and has 4 openings at the bottom. The body is made of plastic and it has a smooth rubberized or silicone exterior. The bottom of this speaker is having a more highly textured coating of rubber for better grip and to prevent the speaker from moving around due to sound vibration. The quality of the materials and the build looks to be very good and it feels durable. It's water resistant and it's compliant with IPX5 specification. It can take a small splash or jet of water, but it should not be immersed in water. There is a small waterproofed compartment on the back and we see a 3.5mm audio input jack. This is used to play sounds from non-Bluetooth devices. Next is a reset pinhole for hard reset of the speaker. There is a micro USB port for charging the inbuilt battery. There are some indicators and buttons on this speaker. First one is the charging indicator followed by the microphone. Next is an indicator for left and right speaker and this lights up when another XB10 speaker is paired with this speaker. On the top there is a play and pause button. Pressing the play button twice will skip to the next track. Long press of the play button will initiate Google Assistant on Android and Siri on iPhone. The play button is also used to receive calls while paired with a smartphone. While playing music on Bluetooth, there is no button to skip to the previous track. Next is the add button, which is used to pair another XB10 speaker to get a stereo sound experience. We see volume down and volume up buttons here. At the end we see a power button and there is an LED indicator below it that lights up when the speaker is powered on. Long press of the power button will initiate Bluetooth pairing process that can be discovered by a smartphone. This speaker comes with NFC for easy pairing process. By just tapping an NFC enabled smartphone, we can easily pair the speaker with a smartphone and connect to it. The Bluetooth range is good and I was able to listen to the sounds up to 30 feet within the house. The speaker can be connected with only one device at a time. Battery life is rated as up to 16 hours with volume level at 10. With full volume, it will last for about 5 hours. It has an inbuilt lithium-ion battery that is rated at 3.7 volts and 1400 mAh. It will take roughly about 4.5 hours to fully charge the battery. The speaker will turn off by itself if it is idle for more than 15 minutes. The speaker can also be used to take voice calls and the microphone does a good job in capturing decent quality sound. I am very much impressed with the sound quality of the speaker and the amount of bass it produces. It can easily fill sound in a small room. There is only one 46mm driver with a passive radiator that does a good job in delivering low bass. The bass is punchy and has good clarity up to 3/4 of the volume levels. Beyond this limit, you may start hearing distorted sounds. The mid-level sounds are good with good clarity in vocal frequencies. The highs are also impressive with sharp and crisp sounds. Keeping the speaker in upright position delivers a balanced sound, filling the entire room. Placing the speaker horizontally makes it more directional and you can hear more of a vocal and highs better. So let's listen to some sample sounds on this speaker. So guys, to wrap it up, this is a good speaker if you are considering only playing music with Bluetooth or via the auxiliary input. If you prefer other features such as playing from a microSD card or connectivity with PC or USB, then you may want to look for other options. But if your purpose is portability and compactness with good sound output, good battery life, water resistant and voice call compatibility, then I think this may be the one for you. Let me know what you think about this speaker in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit that like button if it helped and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.